Hello friends, welcome to Shivani Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to picot a saree. This is the picot machine. Place the fabric so that the picot can be done in the arc shape. Now hold the fabric tightly and start doing picot. While doing picot, pull the fabric from the other side as well. Keep on pulling the fabric from the other side for fine picot. At the end, give a little curve to the cloth so that its corners are picot as well. See, our picot is done. We have done picot in round and curvy shape at the beginning and end also. Neatly cut the extra thread. In this video, I will show you how to stitch the fall on saree with the help of sewing machine. This is the picot machine and I am removing the picot foot and placing sewing foot on the machine. Friends, make sure that you place it and tighten it correctly. We will use interlock stitch, which is also known as zigzag stitch. Firstly, we will stitch from the lower side and will prepare the hamper from the other side. Place the fall accurately and start stitching it. Pull the fall from the other side. As you can see, this is called zigzag stitch. This stitch is very light and looks very good. Make sure the fall is properly placed for the perfect stitch. looking even better and completely matching on the border. Now we will stitch on the other side by taking U-turn. We will use the same zigzag stitch on this side. This is how we stitch sari fall with zigzag stitch. As you can see, it's properly in line. Tuck the little portion of the fall corner inside it. Taking U-turn for the final touch. Our zigzag stitch is done. It looks as beautiful as it's stitched by hand. Always use matching thread. With the help of sewing foot, we can stitch sari fall on sewing machine. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.